How to publish a calendar to an NFC tag using NFC in the office. If you've ever stood outside of a conference room door wondering how long the group in front of you will be in there, an NFC tag might have been able to help you out. Instead of printing and posting a new schedule outside a conference room door or event space, simply publish the calendar online each week and program the URL to an NFC tag. Let's get started. In this tutorial, I will use an iPhone 11 with iOS 15.5, Microsoft Outlook, the NFC Tools app available on the App Store, the SmartTrack Block NFC tag with 320 bytes of memory. The link to this tag is on screen now and available in the description below, and a laminated card to hold our NFC tag. Step 1. Ensure that your calendar is published to a URL. Jump to the online version of Outlook on Microsoft 365. Click on the calendar icon in the top right corner and then click the Open Calendar icon. Go to Settings and click View All Outlook Settings. Click on Calendar and then click on Shared Calendars. Go to Publish a Calendar and choose the calendar you want to publish to your NFC tag. You can also set the calendar permissions there as well if you need to take it off private. Click Publish and then copy the link. Here's what the link will look like when opened. Step 2. Encoding our NFC tag with our published calendar. Copy the HTML link and send it to your smartphone. Open your NFC Tools or other NFC Tag Reader app. Choose Write, Add a Record, and URL-URI. Then paste your URL into the box. Remember, if your URL contains http:// and your app already has a pre-filled prefix of http://, you'll need to erase the one in your link so it doesn't repeat. Click OK, and then write the URL to your NFC tag. Step 3. Place your NFC tag in the desired location. Now, I'll place this NFC tag on our laminated branded card for our conference room. I'm actually going to place this tag on the back of the card for aesthetic purposes. If you will have outside people in your conference room, you can always place text in the front that says tap here or tap your smartphone for the schedule. Now place the card on the outside of the conference room. Now, just to ensure our NFC tag works properly, I'll tap it now and pull up the conference room schedule. It works! Thanks so much for watching this video all about publishing a calendar to an NFC tag for the office. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel and our blog to learn more about NFC and RFID.